Google Photos to Android the easy way. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Photos application on your device. And as you tap on your device, you can see different photos that you have on your Google Photos. So all you have to do is just make a long press on the photo that you want to get it on your Android. So just make a long press on the photo and then you'll be able to see the option of share over here. So tap on share, and as you tap on share, you'll be able to see the create link option, send in photos, create album, or add to album. Next, you can see the option of Gmail or any other social media networking sites where you can share the photo. So I'm going to tap on copy to file manager. So you just have to tap on selecting the folder and select the folder over here. Here I'm going to tap on the video option and then tap on paste. And there you go, you have got your Google Photos to your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.